Right, welcome everyone. It's Friday. Alright, for this here. Okay, let me put that there as well. Welcome. So, yeah, looking like GJ just before had a little bit of a runoff. I was potentially looking at it on the 5 and the 15 looked okay. But yeah, let's go through this. So, we'll get ready. Are people in the chat now? Yeah, okay. Oh, you can't see. 1 second. 1 second. There you go. What up? So yeah, looking like that GJ just ran off here. I thought it's kind of nice. Take a look. Yeah, the 15-minute closed doji, but it did make a nice little lower wick, rejecting the previous zone. Kind of nice. So yeah, we're gonna go through this daily time frame over here. Let's see what we can get. So right now, daily time frame is bullish. The last one closed bullish, looking like we're making a little bit of support finally. Let's take a look on the daily. Yeah, so looking like now we're starting to make a little bit of support, starting to maybe hold a little trend line over here. Second. On the daily time for it to continue up in this positive correlation. So looking good, right? Daily time frame needs to break the high of the previous, and then it's going to be continuing nicely. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour time frame. This current one is bullish. Hasn't broken the high of the previous yet, but it looks like it's coming up towards a little bit of resistance above there. Is going to be much nicer. So looking at the resistance is probably here. 1 second. So buys above there could be rather nice. 1 second. There we go. There we go. 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to sort something out. When you're in the Zoom, guys, make sure you're muted, because I can hear like a wind noise. Okay, yeah. So the 4 hours pushing up nicely. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So yeah, that hourly closure there was pretty nice. I kind of like the 30-minute and the 15, because if you look on the 15, this is the newest level of support right here. And we closed above there in this candle. This one made a low wick, and then continued bullish on the 5-minute. Kind of looked like this for me. 1 second. On the 5-minute, look like we're holding this level of trend, and then this one here, sort it. 1 second. Was breaking out from there, so that was kind of nice looking in these areas, but that was a bit earlier on, 6:30. But now looking like it's continuing. Did anyone try and take that 15-minute here? So you would have got in this flipping or breaking the high. How do you flip in? Yeah, like that. That's kind of nice. To the next resistance, which is 19 pips away. It's just tapped, kind of nice. So now, I mean, there is still 30 pips to the highs, but there's a lot of resistances, which kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Yeah, so I have a feeling maybe buys above are going to be a little bit easier over here. 159,858, 860. That'll be kind of nice. Take a look. Yeah, you can see there's a big level of resistance here. You can see we've got resistance here, 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 and here. So probably going to be easier to just get buys above. This fucking 7-8 o'clock candle just rocketed. Very nice. To the FOREX factory. Yeah, very nice. So 159,600. Yeah, that's tasty. A little bit tasty. On the hourly, there's like 4 rejection wicks, 59,633, which had a super positive retail sales. Yeah, looking like it's coming towards the resistance right now. Gold just flipped. It's going. Oh, gold, yeah. So for me, it's probably going to be on GJ buys above here. Because for me, there's too many resistances in this area. You know, you've got to get in lower in the area, around about there or there. I couldn't get that, so yeah, for me now, it's just going to be above. Buys above 159,861. Second, 861. Beautiful. Yeah, so I'll wait patiently for that, and then we're going to take a look at gold in a sec. Wait, what? I got no sound on Zoom.
I can hear you perfectly well.
Yeah. Maybe just check it out. Maybe turn it off or something. Okay, and then for sells potentially in GJ, where would I want sells now? Yeah, sells is going to be kind of hard. Probably look for sells below the hourly support. Yeah, probably below there. Sells below there. If you continue down, then we're going to fill this zone up. So yeah, I think this will be reasonable. So let me just put my sells below. This is kind of like in the second zone. So sells below 158,824. Beautiful. Gold buys you talked about yesterday morning, 1813.7, still holding now. Oh wow. Yeah, I saw them. The buys are nice, right? Yeah, I was talking about it there. Oh, you're still holding them on. That's a nice. Oh. Yeah, just after the stream, guys, yesterday, I was talking about this, how if this level holds, and you look on the 30, 30's rejected it twice. The orders have got to go somewhere. Phew, an absolute rocket. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's take a look here. 1 second. I should be able to hear you. You should be able to hear me, really. Anyway. Okay, so the daily time frame on gold is bullish. The last one closed bullish, strong bullish as well, engulfing the rest. This one's making a made a low wick, and it's starting to flip and maybe exceed the high of the previous, which should theoretically continue it up. The next resistance is not really that far. It's actually there. It's like 50 pips away, so it's not like the biggest zone on gold. The 4-hour time frame, the last one made support, you can see here pretty nicely, and this one is continuing up. Let's take a look here. Yes, this one's continuing up, made the bottom wick and pushing very nicely. The hourly time frame closed above. 50-minute time frame looking a little bit worse off for wear because of this crappy zone here. However, that little series play was kind of nice. So how much would you be getting there? So 20 pip stops for a 20 pip gain, maybe. But I think for me, buys are going to be nicer above. The hourly time frame. Oh no, the hourly time frame didn't close above. Yeah. So can you see here? This hourly time frame hasn't closed above yet. So I want to be a little bit cautious and maybe wait for a closure above. And then where could we continue to? Well, let's take a look to the left. We're going to continue to 1857. Looks like that's the next zone. That's where the support is. That's where the resistance is. So that's where the next zone is. Wow, looking like GJ just rocketed off. I'm very jealous. The 7 o'clock candle I get in is fucking shit for this one. Damn. Did anyone on the group try and get that trade? Getting it on the flip. Nice, brother, yeah. Nice. Yeah, that'll be where the TP, most of the TP was at 590, I'd say. Yeah, right at that like level of support there. Beautiful. So on the 30-minute time frame, getting in there as well. Yeah, I agree. The break of the highs there. Um, because of the fact, let's take a look at the stop actually. If you just got in there, yeah, 14 pip on there. Close. But very simple. That was just a closure back in the zone, right? So it should be filled. So that was nice. That was some nice, easy moves in the morning.
Hey Max, good
Hello, hello.
morning.
Good morning.
Uh, I want to ask a question.
Uh huh.
So, as you know, this DJ move has happened before London opening or pre-London, we can say.
Yeah.
So, before that volume time, we know that volume time is not there. So, how can we trade? Like we can say there is no volume time, but the move is going good. So, how can we measure that we can trade on that time or not?
Yeah, it depends on the setup, right? So no, you can see every so often. The past 2 weeks, actually, 7 a.m. has been not too bad. There has been a lot of volume. So it's just it's 6 and 2 threes. You can't do anything about it. You just gotta get there at 7 o'clock and see if there's a little move. There was today. I was maybe just a little bit too late. But yeah, I mean, if there's no volume at 7 o'clock, then it'll probably be at 8. So you just gotta look at both times and see what price gives you. Because yeah, these closures down here were nice, but 6:30 is a bit early. You either take advantage of it if you're awake, but if not, then just wait until London Open. So I think don't just change it every single time just because one 30-minute candle this week at 7 a.m. is really big, because you need to do it for a large time, right? It has cycles. Every month's different, really. So yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it. Yeah, 7 a.m.'s Frankfurt session exactly. So it's a little bit of volume. Did they get news out today? Okay, so yeah, looking like GJ's just blasted off over here. So that's great. I'm gonna take a look at AJ in a second. But yeah, very gel with AJ. Brad, did you try and get there or not?
No, I was late this morning, otherwise I would have been in. I've already seen where I would have gotten in.
Yeah.
So I just missed it. It's all good.
Yeah, man.
Did you give your dad his gift?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay, when's his birthday?
Today.
Oh, sick.
I'm doing it after. I've literally just woken up.
Ah,
Just straight after this.
very cool.
Okay, same thing for AJ. Kind of made some support over here. 5:30 was kind of nice. Let's take a look at what the 50-minute looked like. Yeah, breaking the previous high was kind of nice there. Yeah, that was kind of chill. So I'd have probably got in maybe there because it's made the rejection wick, so it could be a celery plate. It'd be like that. That'd be nice. Take a look what that looks like on the 30. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. Very nice. So, yeah, AJ is kind of the same as GJ. It's came back over that area now. It's unfortunately this shit, which sucks. You can get the buys up from it, but now the issue is you've got a lot of crap here. A lot of crap. So let's just put this here. So, yeah, now it's in this little zone. Should fill the zone up eventually, but it's a very choppy area. So for me, it's probably just going to be easier to make buys above here. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's put this on. Yeah, so buys above here and sells. I mean, sells are no go really. This is way too strong. Let's look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, sells are not going to be an option, I don't think, today. On AJ, way too bullish. This bullish candle, 15 minutes, made the low wick and maybe breaking the high to continue bullish here. Let me just put this on. So yeah, it's looking good. Let's take a look at gold. Gold could not continue. But does that make sense randomly? Yeah, it's just I said one little nice push, nice little retracement to continue later would be nice. But can you see that hourly is still holding this little resistance here? Why? Well, because it hasn't closed above. So if it doesn't close above, then there's no confirmation that it can. So yeah, for me on GJ there, let's just looking back at it, I'd probably want to get in. I think I probably would have got in there. How much is the stops there? So that's a 7-pip stop. Yeah. I think I would have got in either there, or when I was looking patiently at 7 o'clock there on the flip. Because it's retested. I mean, it hasn't fully retested that area, but there's a little bit of support there, I suppose. Take a look at the 30, what would that look like? Yeah, I don't know about that second one. Where would you get in, Bri?
No, I'd leave that alone, because what from the top of that bear candle, right?
No. I mean before. Where would you have got in?
So I have mine on the 30. I have mine on the 30 minutes, and I've obviously got channels and I've got fibs. Obviously, my markup, I throw quite a lot at it. There was a retest on a fib at 158.850.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then those next two candles. So this was a bit big, but I might have considered that because we got a lot of confirmation. It was. I mean, I'm bullish this whole morning after doing my markup.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
If I was on, I probably would have been in, but I was late, unfortunately.
Yeah. That was a 6 a.m. man. Fuck that shit. Hell no. So yeah, we'll wait patiently. Anyone got any questions? It's like 1, it's news, 2, it's zone, 3, it has no bottom wick. I think this GJ trade there had no bottom wick, and I made one just before the end. Let's take a look. Yeah. So yeah, that gold trade, guys, we were looking at yesterday, worked very nicely for people getting on the retest, which was good. So it was a nice little trade in NY session yesterday. Let's take a look. Good news for GV buys only? Yes. We'll see. Looking good though. Take a look at the hourly and 4 hour. It's starting to leave that area, which is nice to see. Very nice to see. So yeah, for me, I'm going to wait patiently just for it to close above, and we're going to be hunky-dory. For gold, for sells, yeah, I don't know for sells. Sells for me are probably going to be below there, 1837, because that looks like it's a clear level of support. If you get sells over here, you should continue down. Yesterday gold made fortune up. Yeah, I know. I was speaking about it in the stream, wasn't I? I said if it holds this level, this could be nice to continue. Look at that. I wish I held it on. Well, actually, I got in a little bit early when we were looking at it, like when I was papering it. We got in, I think it was on this flip with this stop loss. Yeah. And then we continued to here. I think I held that on. Yeah. And then we came back. We pushed and broke the lows on this candle, and this candle closed back in, and now we had the beautiful candles formed here, these 30-minute candles rejecting. Oh ho ho. Very nice. First area to come to really after it started pushing 1822, pretty simple. Next one would have been like here 1830. So yeah, that was nice to hold on. Very nice indeed. So yeah, let's take a look then. Has anyone taken any trades in Asian? If you're taking any loser trades, make sure to send me them. Yeah, you should have sent me them. I'm going to take a look at them. We're going to do a simulation session today at 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, we're going to do AJ. Yeah, getting a bit more AJ done in the works, seeing when price ranges, etc. It's good to go through it every single week. You should do backtesting twice a week, I'd say. That's what we do. Twice a week. Keep it fresh. Make sure you like the stream of lads and lasses. And yeah, we're going to see if we can get a closure later on. See if we can get a little closure over here. So yeah, I think the targets on gold 1857 would be clean. So yeah, closure above, I think for me is going to be a little bit nice. So how could you have got in a bit earlier? Kind of came out of nowhere, right? Kind of came out of nowhere. How would you get in on the AJ buys before? Yeah, it would have been there, I think. 1 second. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, maybe there. After I made that lower wick and then flipped. Because it's closed back in the zone. The zone is getting rejected. So continue over here. Bullish. That would have been the entry. So what time is that at? 6:15. Yes, it happened a little bit later on. Backtesting twice a week. Lol. Yep. Oh yeah. So flip the daily time frame. Look at the daily now. Continuing up. Hasn't broken the high of the previous, but it's looking pretty good. Simulation backtesting? Yeah. Yeah, simulation backtesting. Oh yeah. So if it breaks this high, it's going to continue further to 90.247. What simulation do you use? Soft FOREX. That. Oh, sorry, that. Yeah, it's pretty good. We enjoy it. It works pretty well. The sim. The only issue I don't like about it is that it's on MetaTrader, and I fucking hate MetaTrader. If I had all those features and it was on TradingView, oh, it'd be amazing. But MetaTrader sucks ass. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a nice little session over here. It's looking beautiful. This AUD JPY continuing, and also the GJ. So we'll see. But I do think buys above are gonna be kind of nice, and the 4 hour as well, breaking past resistances. Same kind of thing on GJ. Needs to continue higher. Max, I had a sell in Asian during Asian. Amazing. Sell during Asian. I'm trying to think of where you got it. Post it in the chat. Let's take a look. What chat? Which chat was it? Yeah, why is Meta so a kick like Windows 95? Oh, I have no idea. So yeah, I've updated the journal from yesterday. Oh, did I add the break even? No, I didn't. Okay, let me add this one as well. Gold buy stop 1232. Looks like 1235 seems to be a very big trading window. Look, I have one there, I have one there, I have one there, and I have one there. So there's a breakout. I got it on the flip. It was on the 15, I think. It was half risk. And then we got 0. Yeah, we got to around about 9 pips profit, so put stop loss to break even, hoping for the drive, and yeah, it could not continue over here. Beautiful. So yeah, I need to fix that actually. That rev one is not good. Sell 16. One second. Oh my god, I need to sort that out, but yeah. Yeah, I'm going to do percentages from now on because it just helps people show the kind of gauge of what's happening. Oh yeah. Telegram, let's take a look. Ron, where did you put them? Oh, higher above, let's take a look. No, you didn't. Oh, there. 1 second. 1 second. Was this it? Okay. Beautiful. So it was AJ. It was on the hourly time frame. Can I look at the different time frame or not? Looking like the hourly close below. Entering the flip to green. On the flip to green. I need to take a look on the 30 and the 15, but look pretty nice. Look like you got the resistance forming. You're below your little line, your 200 close, and then drove down. That was a nice area to push into, though, right? Oof. Yeah, around like 40 pips. Beautiful. Your target was to the next lows. I think that's great, and that's pretty much what you got. Very nice. Very nice and simple. Okay, GJ has just retraced 30 pips. Holy shit. What, Max? What do you do to improve your psychology? Only yoga or other things? Just the nice things in life. Just I don't know. You just kind of get past it. You know, for me, when you're having a hard time or whatever, you always know there's an end to it, and there's also know that there's a brighter side, and you just gotta get through it. When price is doing things that you don't want to, and then as time goes on, I'll get much better. What's your meaning behind stop loss matters? What does it mean to you? It means stop loss matters, Where your stop loss is pretty important, so it's very important. So yeah. Why draw your resistance on the 15 instead of the 30? Isn't the 30 more reliable? Yeah, but what I would do is I'd look on the 30 anyway. So like for example here, right? This is a good example, right? The resistance on the 30 is like there, okay? But you also have one there. You also have a lot of wicks here. So if you thinking what you want closures above here, so 655 on the 30, you look on the 15-minute and look, does that look like a nice place to take buys right there? No, because there's resistance there, and there. So you can't see that on the 30, whereas if you look on the 15, you go, you know what, actually it's probably better for me and safer for me to take buys above 880 over here. So that's why. Sometimes the 30 looks cleaner, but actually it really isn't on the 15, so yeah. Okay, just try trading without a stop loss, you'll see. Ah, shit, okay, yeah. I forgot about that. Stop loss doesn't matter. Okay, so 50-minute candle closed bearish, very, very bearish. Look how bearish that candle is in the zone. But it did the move, right? The move for me was a little bit earlier on at 6 a.m., 6:15. So, very nice. Buy gold, GU, EU, sell UJ. Oh, wow. You need to tell me the stop loss, though. Let me put this on. Yeah. So I think still buys are going to be nice later because the 4-hour time frame will be leaving this area. Can you see though here? I don't want to be playing in this area. I want to be playing above this area. Oh shit, my mouse. Yeah. So are you jumping in on the 30-minute flip? Wait for a top wick. For what? For what candle? Because it's none of these. Look, the 50-minute close bearish. So if you're taking a buy here, this is a no-go for me. ADJPY has already done the move, to be honest with you. So if you've missed that, then yeah, no. Did you see Vieira kick that Everton supporter last night? Oh no, I didn't. Actually, what does that look like now? Oh no, I don't want Leeds to go down. Fuck's sake. I'm literally moving to Leeds next in July, and I want to go to some Prem matches. Fucking stay up, please. So how can they win? Yeah. They need to pull something out the bag. Have they got their last game? Who are they against? Let's take a look. Brentford is their last game. Brentford. What's Brentford like in the table? They've got nothing to search though. They've got nothing to go through, but looking like they're playing pretty well. So Leeds may be going down. No. They're both on 35 points, but the goal difference is huge. Yeah. Damn, boy. Yeah, looks like Leeds is going down. Great. Let's take a look then. So gold is still continuing. You know, it's gradually coming on, but as I say, it has still, the hourly still hasn't closed above, so it's just risky to get in too early. Just trade without stop loss. Everton fans stormed the pitch after they won, and Vieira flipped like a daily candle on roids. Oh shit! Did they? Well, I wouldn't mess with Vieira. Like, Vieira's a big ass guy. He's in class with Crystal Palace as well. Yeah, so the hourly time frame, nice. Yeah, so 159.861 is going to be tasty. And yeah, we'll see on AJ right now. But as I said, the move happened a little bit earlier on today, I think. So 4 hour time frame pushing up, which is looking nice. Daily time frame nearly going to be breaking the previous high. So yeah, it would be nice to get a closure in the next hour or so. Above. Let's take a look and see the retest on that GG. Was there actually anything on the 5? 1 second. Oh shit. Yeah. He's either there on the 5 or breaking them highs there. That's what was tasty. I'm curious, which club do you support? I support Newcastle, but you know, I also like watching good teams. But to be honest with you, Newcastle actually getting better now. But I don't really care about support. I'm not really too asked behind it, to be honest. I just like watching good football. I hate watching a team that's like shit. I just hate watching it. It's so boring. So yeah, I mean the 15-minute candle, as I said, just closed very, very bearish. The 30-minute looks good, so it's like, oh yeah, the 30-minute, but you know the 15 is pretty damn bearish, right? It's like this candle could easily just reverse. So the setup here is just like not a nice setup, right? 30-minute hasn't closed above. 25 minutes left. We'll have to see. So yeah, let's take a look then. Is this fucking MP speaking? What time? 8:30. Oh wow, and then we're done. The G7 meeting. Wow, is that where a bunch of fucking retards go and talk about climate change and shit? Is it?
Yeah, that's the like world meeting.
Yeah.
The G7 one.
Wait, is it about the global? Yeah. A lot of volatility. Day 3. I support Chelsea. They're dead. They're just not there, right? Oh my god, I literally seen how many penalties have English people miss right now. Fucking hell. Mount missed one. Aaron Ramsey. Is Aaron Ramsey English? He's either English or Irish.
He's Welsh, isn't he?
Oh, he's Welsh. Yeah, sorry. He's one of them. Shit, we're just so bad at pens. This fucking island. It's just shit at pens. Apart from Harry Kane. Harry Kane's fucking class.
Mate, he don't miss me.
His pens are every time in the fucking bottom corners.
What's up, niggas?
He ain't missed a pen in like 21 penalties or so.
What up, Jace? How you doing?
Good, man. Yo, sorry, man. Harry Kane, one of the best strikers with 0 trophies.
Wait, what?
I'm saying he's one of the best strikers in the world, but 0 trophies.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's at fucking Tottenham, mate. That's why.
Why didn't he just move? He's so. Son's like class, man. Son's been doing bits. He should get that golden boot.
Son the beast.
And
you know what as well, yeah? If he gets that golden boot, it's no penalties included.
No way.
Yeah.
It's no pens. Shit.
No pens included, because obviously Kane takes all the pens.
Yeah.
Whereas
Why
like
didn't
Salah,
I didn't remember the last pen that Kane did. Why didn't he give that to Son? I thought it was a bit of a dick move. He
'cause we
mustn't.
had
He
to win
mustn't.
that game.
Yeah, he mustn't. He
Otherwise,
mustn't.
we
Have
ain't
been
getting
that
top
good.
four.
Yeah,
Imagine
that's
Son
true.
took that he missed, yeah, and we get top four. We only won one.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
That was a huge pen, to be honest.
Yeah, that is true.
But hopefully, Son can get a couple goals in the week.
Yeah.
Like literally every footballer that leaves Spurs wins something.
It's funny, isn't it? How they just don't get it.
Teams must be annoyed, bro. Wow. Thanks.
Imagine Harry Kane though, like he finishes, he puts his boots up and he looks at all of his awards, and you're like, yeah, you could have got a lot more.
No, that is definitely gonna happen, you know.
I think if Kane went City last season, he would have had a different career. Whereas now he's too old. Like if he goes anywhere nowadays, no one's going to pay 130 mil for him because he's too old.
Yeah.
But I still think it's class, man. Like if you check the season where Man City when Aguero scored that goal, fuck, Ferguson went to go buy Van Persie immediately. Like he didn't think twice. And they fucked up the league the next season. So City could have done the same thing, you know. Plus Harry Kane is like
I think they were holding out for Haaland, to be honest.
yeah, you know, Haaland is good, but Harry Kane is like fucking creative. He brings the team together and he fucking scores.
Yeah, he's like De Bruyne and Haaland.
Yeah.
One,
and the
you know what I
fucking
mean?
strike at the same time. So, man.
He's top class.
Top, man. He is really top.
What accent
He's
is
gonna
this?
fuck up.
He's
He's
South
gonna
African.
fuck up Rooney's record, bro. Rooney's record is gonna smash it. And Rooney was top, eh?
When he was top. Nah, I prefer Haaland. Yeah, Haaland's a fucking G. Oh my god.
Let's see what he's like in the Prem though, because he might flop. You never know.
Yeah.
No, man, he's not Lukaku. Don't worry.
Kaka.
Man, that's so funny, man.
Kaka. That's fucking great.
Listen, the internet is like, yo, on another level, honestly. Fuck sakes, I can't anymore.
Yeah. So yeah, still continuing. Yeah. 58 likes, guys. Make sure you like up the stream. I know this week's been pretty bad for the London trades. The closures has been very much impulses on the 5. So, what can you do? How many trades did I take this London this week? Not a lot at all. I know that. Let's take a look here. 16th. So I took 1, 2. 2 trades this week. Yeah, 2 trades. 2 trades. So London's been very impulsive, man. Getting in on the 5-minute breaks has worked this week. So we'll see next week if maybe that'll happen. Maybe we'll go back to normal. We'll see. We'll see. Haaland has more years to play than Harry, yeah. He's going to be class in that City team. Oh. He's going to be class. We're going to do Wordle today. I haven't done Wordle in a while. Wordle. So yeah, as I've said, I mean, for me, this has not been the nicest week, just like last week, you know. It's just been chilling. It's been at that, you know, break-even level since like here. So from the 10th, but you know, 8 days. 8 days is not really. Oh shit! I should not have done that. 8 days is not going to affect me, right? There's no need. There's no need to. Because all I gotta do is right, this is minus. 1 second. This is L18. Here we go. Okay, right. So if I do this now, equals sum. Yeah. So there we go. 6.3% in 2 weeks. You know, it's not nice. It's not amazing. But it does the job, right? Does the job. especially when I'm finding it hard market conditions. And then next month we're gonna be fine. Let's take a look at this one. Oh shit, I couldn't make it out, but you can make a rough estimate if you add them up for about 39%. So this 6% actually is pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with that for the time being. Hi, how do you join the mentorship chat? I'm new. Okay, hello. You need to go to the pinned message here and then join the chat there. Yeah. Yeah, make sure to do that. And also, I'm going to add you to the G drive after this, so don't worry about that as well. Let's take a look. You've got the 10 pip win as a loss on percentage. You've got a 10 pip win. Oh, do I? Let's take a look over here. 10 pip win. Is that one I fixed? Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah, they're right. They're all right now. So yeah, so now you can actually see the percentage, exactly what I'm getting out of. Yeah, it makes it a little bit more transparent with that kind of stuff, because it depends on your percentage of your risk in your trade, right? No, 2 more up. Oh shit. Okay, let's take a look over here. Oh, there. Yeah. Cheers, brother. I did think, I thought it was like 9%. Okay, yeah, 9.2. That seems right. Beautiful. Yeah, 9%. So 9% actually for nearly 3 weeks is actually not too bad. It's pretty much on target. It's just, as I said before, it's just this area over here has just been messing around. But that's when you can be a profitable trader and you can do this, full time. Is the fact that when price is not perfect the way you want to trade it, I'm still making money, right? I've still got this month 64%, and my winners at the start of the month were very, very big. So that's all you got to look at. Give a like, guys. He's a hard-working Chinese. Hard-working Chinese. Too right. Okay. So 17 seconds after this 50-minute candle's closing bullish, but as I say, just in this zone. Looking like gold's continued. Anyone like holding these on? Seems to be going a little bit slow though. A little bit slow. So yeah, let's take a look at this 30. I still think later on we're going to be good. I think we'll just see if it happens today. So 50-minute time frame is coming down. If it breaks that low, maybe coming back down into this area. 30-minute as well. 14 minutes left. Looking like it's not good. Holding gold. Okay, nice. Okay, 50 minutes broken the low of the previous candle. How much would stops be in the previous? 18. This one's 8. To continue back down, maybe. Back down into this pit of doom. Back into the daily and the 4-hour levels. I took gold, went 12 pips and stopped out at break even. Okay. 12 pips. Yeah, we'll see. Let's just take a look at the overall direction of gold. GJ, yeah. The thing with GJ is it just didn't close. This daily candle yesterday didn't close above into this area again, just like what this one did. So really needed this to continue. Look at the 4-hour time frame as a whole. It's not too nice, right? So for me, is this the perfect level for taking trades? Not really, because the 4-hour time frame is not showing me anything. We had a couple bearish candles, very weak, and then this bullish one's just okay. Body of the candle's still kind of weak though. Exactly, man. They're like, ah, yes, Max is coming to join us, our long lost cousin. Where the fuck is my baby brother? So yeah, I played a little bit of CS last night. I enjoyed it. Back in it again. My mate I play with is absolutely class. He's so good. Oh, you mean he came to walk? My god. So wow, that 50-minute time frame. Did anyone try and take that? It was a bit impulsive though, right? But it looked like it worked out kind of nicely back in the area. For me, this is just a range, right? So if you're wanting to get into trades, they've got to be, here. Pretty nice. I'm in. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Took gold buys 1847. Very good. Yeah, coming towards that resistance now. It's a level that I would take some positions off for sure. You don't know if you're going to get the closure above or below. Beautiful on the 5. Did you take it? Yeah, kind of a big rejection. I think for me the only issue was, I think the only issue for me is it's so counter of what I was looking for before that it was kind of like not too good a change in direction. Look at that 4-hour level though, very, very, very strong resistance there now. Got to be a little bit cautious in that area. For me, safer buys are going to be above over here. Much easier. But wow, looking like it moved nicely there on the break of the low, the 15. That 5-minute rejected.
Yeah, there was that rejection rate was a nice stop, but I didn't take that.
Yeah. I think it's because we were looking for the buys, like, 10 minutes before.
Yeah, I'm also bullish for sure, but it's just that 4-hour race.
Yeah.
The thing is, it's weird. Yeah, fucking, I was on the 30 and I missed that. I was looking for something like that. Which time frame was at the 15?
This one. Yeah, it's 15.
I'm looking at the 30, man. I put my check all that rejections. Just go up in the chat.
No, this one.
In the Zoom.
Okay, in the Zoom.
I had like multiple rejections at that level.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're looking for your closure above. Same thing here. Well, boys, got me 13 pips. Amazing. Well done, well done. Yeah. Oh my god, I just read that. What the fuck did you just say? Risky fucker, 4-hour res trade with caution. Nice. Okay, beautiful. So yeah, I think that's why I just want buys a little bit higher up. But also comes to correlation the fact that hasn't closed above this support. So yeah, pretty nice. I think that'll be decent. Price action garbage. I think it's been alright. I think it's been alright since 6 o'clock. It's been not too bad. I think overall in the week, the 50-minute time frame this week has been very, very poor. Yes, I agree. The entries have got to be on the. I think it's that correlation of when price is moving. So the candles this week have been quite big, I'd say overall as a percentage. So the 50-minute candles are bigger than 10 pips normally, whereas normally they're around about 10 to 12 pips. So they're around about like 15 to 17, 18. So the wicks are a little bit more aggressive as well. The 30-minute's been nice, but the only issue with the 30-minute this week is that it's been like 20 pip stops. Yeah. So I think a lot of people that have done well in my group today have been looking on the 5-minute entries with correlation with the 15s and the 30s to get their entries. So yeah, it'd be beautiful to watch them grow and see. Yesterday, every single one of them. Oh my god, someone turn their fucking thing down. Yeah, it's Alfie. Okay. Yeah, I'll go through that gold trade yesterday that we took. Yeah, it was pretty good. News is coming. Wait for the news. Yes, I'd wait for the news. 8:30 member Phil. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the gold trade yesterday. So the gold trade. Where was it? Was it up there? Yeah. What time is it at? 12:32. Yeah, it was there. Okay, so this 30-minute candle time frame. Sorry, yeah, here. This 30-minute candle closed bullish above to continue to the highs. That's what we're looking for. So for us, this had a nice closure. The next candle then made a lower wick, and look where it tapped. So a lot of people over here got into the gold buys right at this level. Look, can I put the line here? Right there. Which because what's happening over here is this price is retesting this previous resistance. So now you can get a nicer stop loss. Okay, so if you got in there, your stop loss is now below the previous candle here, which is 17 pips, right? So it's, but the zone here is a nicer zone. And then what happened over here is price continued. Bearing in mind, just to tell you, this candle here, this red one, at the time had no top wick at all. This candle was coming down, it was all red, so it looked like this. So that we know the probability wise it's going to make a top wick is very, very high. So taking a buy there with stop loss below, you know you're going to get the flip. So what happened is we retraced, we came to the flip. When he came to the flip, you're already at your 1-to-1. Okay, but you know you shouldn't close at that 1-to-1 there, because if you get the flip, you're going to get at least the drive to the wick. So when we had the flip here, stop loss to break even at this level, and then we rode it to the high. So that would have been first TP. So 270, so 27 pips, 26 pips at that area was first TP. Closing, I would have closed 80% there because there was 4-hour resistance with a 16 pip stop. So yeah, it was a good risk to reward. And then the runner over here in a normal circumstance would have actually done really nicely because your stop is much further back in the zone, but it never worked out. So that was a nice little effort over here. But that retest was very nice, right at the resistance. Hot morning, boys. morning. So yeah, we'll see in GJ. Very interesting though. Well, if you're taking them reversal, there's sells over here. If you sold GJ at 8 AM every day this week, you'll be up massively. Agreed. Agreed, Vin. Those weeks do happen, you know. If you just fucking click sell or buy and just hope it continues at 8 o'clock, you'd be fine. So let's do my little thing over here. If this 50-minute candle closes bearish, the next one should continue bearish. But for me, I'm not taking it because the overall trend is bullish right now. And we're in this range, so I'm not just going to take a sell willy-nilly, right? It'll be below 824. Where's Asian highs? There? Yeah, it's Asian highs as well. So we've already broken, really, Asian highs. Asian lows are down here. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, completely agree, Vin. I think, you know, sometimes in the markets at 8 o'clock, my god, impulses work, but then like 3 weeks later they just won't work. You'll have to wait for a 15-minute closure again. So the people that get impulsed in this area think they're going to be the next Warren Buffett, but in 2 weeks time when it doesn't work anymore, they just give all their money back to the markets. So you've got to find a balance, right? And for me, it's getting the easy closures, sometimes getting in the impulses if I want to, but yeah. She's 420 people, London Open. Push those likes, boys. Yeah, push those likes, guys. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Hey, I tell you what, I watched that Speed guy. Oh my god. I know he's meant for like younger kids, but sometimes he's quite funny. I wish I could do that. God damn. I think you guys, if you guys watch me play a game, I think you'd highly enjoy it. Because I am one of them guys who is smashing controllers, fucking shouting because FIFA's pissing me off, rage quitting. I should do a stream like that. I should do one.
You should really do one.
Yeah. Like yesterday when we were at NYSC and I was playing FIFA, fucking hell, I was pissed right off. I was like lobbing my controller. The amount of controllers I broke when I was younger, fucking hell. What is the matter with Asian high lows with the London session and London high and lows? What is the matter? Like, what do you mean? Like, what is the importance? It's just that if it breaks that high or that low, it's breaking a whole session's high or low. So, you know, it's a very, very strong resistance or support. So it's good confirmation that it's going to continue. You got to know when to take impulses and when to wait for closures. Well, yeah, but you know, recently you can't, you don't know, because the issue is that London Open just opens, it flies, doesn't make a low wick on the hourly, so it's really depending on the closures. You've seen Speed's rap video? Yeah, I watch his streams. Like sometimes he's just a fucking specimen. He's quite young, man. You live on Raja? Yeah. Oh yeah, I was looking at Raja's podcast last night, I think. And I don't know why, but I was really enjoying the Pakistan version, even though I didn't have no idea what they were talking about. But where the fuck was it? Was it on history? Yeah, this one. I wish someone could do this in English. I'd love to listen to this. There's a lot of English in it. Like there's things I can pick up, like what he's saying. It's quite funny. But yeah, I wish someone could do that in English, man. Because I have no idea really what he's saying.
I think you get high and watch it.
You what?
I think you must just get high and watch it again.
Yeah. Hey, look, it goes through all the stages. Why he moved from Canada to Pakistan? I'd love to listen to that. This shit. My mentors, you'd be talking about Ted in there. Like, oh man, I want to listen to this shit so fucking bad. Yeah, sucks. This interview changed my life. And wow, so can you understand it? You can put subtitles on, Max, or can you? Where?
Yeah, I was just gonna say if you go back, I think there was the closed captions, and I think
No, it's just unavailable.
no, unavailable. Nah.
Yeah. Yeah. Who do Hindi seem? I like the way the language is spoken. It's kind of like nice. It's kind of like a good rhythm of it. I watched the whole podcast, understood it because I'm Pakistani. He's just reiterating the important rules in trading. Yeah, it's nice. It's the other stuff. It's just like personal life and shit I like to do. Ronnie boy in the building. So yeah, people taking themselves, I think, taking them positions off. You got to take some off. Did anyone not take any off and try to, ride this all the way back down? All the effort with timestamps and no CC. Raji used 100 lot size on gold for live trading. I wasn't impressed because it's not a way to teach beginners, I think. Yeah, but he's not a beginner, right? So you got to adapt to your stuff. He's the gold trade that he did before was a good ass trade. It was a nice trade. It was a good closure. It was a nice top wick. He just betted on the fact that, which is what a lot of my people did as well, is that the candle didn't have a bottom wick yet. It pulled up like 20 pips. So the probability it makes one in the next 15 minutes, 30 minutes is 85%. So as long as you can get a nice stop loss on the top wicks on the previous candle, you could be pretty good, which is what I was looking for. But getting on the flip worked as well. Yeah, Ron, you got a nice trade. Where did you close? 10 pips or 20 pips? How did it work, Ronnie boy? He spoke a lot about his come up and how in Pakistani it was hard for him to tell his parents how he failed the first time in his life. Oh wow. Yeah.
I got 22 on half and 27 on the other half.
Good lad. Good lad, you did well.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. So the hourly time frame just opened. Oh my god. Goldie is pretty much there. How much is it on the previous low? 16 pips? Oh man, I have to try and do that, I may miss this. It's making a nice lower wick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and get in here or over here. The hourly candles close so solidly above. $1847.38. Okay, so this gold trade for me, it hasn't really closed above. But the issue is that the hourly time frame. I mean, it has actually. Let's look at the hourly. The hourly's clean as shit. Yeah, I'm gonna get in on the break of the high, I think. 1849. Where the fuck is my chart? Oh my god. Okay, let's take a look over here. Because it's made the low wick. If we do flip this candle and get a drive, it's going to be beautiful to continue bullish over here. So yeah, for me, the entry would be 1849. Bang on. So we just change this over here. For me, it's 1849, literally bang on. So yeah. And the stop on the previous candle over here, The stop on the previous candle is around about 16 pips. Like how strong this previous 5 minute was. Yeah. Let's take a look what happened before here. So yeah, if this candle closes bearish and then never breaks, then it's not going to continue. But for me, it's looking nice. It's the start of the hourly time frame. The hourly's closed above. So yeah, this is going to be looking nice to continue bullish over here. So let me just get rid of this. Beautiful. The more it relaxes down in this area, the more the punch later on is going to be pretty good. So do we put a buy stop? That's what I'm doing. Kind of close right of resistance though. Yeah, I agree, but I think if it wants to reject it, it's going to do it now with this lower wick. Doesn't the zone above look a bit choppy to the hourly time frame? Let's take a look. Nah, I think it looks reasonable for the amount of area in the zone as well. Five minute doesn't look good for me. The wicks are looking pretty nice. So yeah, stop is going to be in the previous 15. Which is going to be 16 pips. How do you manage a buy stop with your spreads? You just put it a little bit higher if you've got bad spreads. Oh, got activated over here. Stop loss below.
I got slipped on that one.
Yeah. Let's take a look. See if we can continue bullish over here. Right at London Open. Right at London Open. Take a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes flip bullish. Yeah, this is nice. Broken the highs now. So yeah, we'll see. Looking good to continue. Yeah. Looking good to continue. You could use current candle lows as well, guys. How much would that be for the stop, actually? Yeah, 10 pips, that's okay. I'm just gonna use previous 15. Got slipped 3 pips, yeah, let me see if I got slipped. Yeah, I got it a little bit slipped as well. A little bit slipperoonied. Slipped 2 pips, yeah. Yeah, not too good. Looking like we're coming down, unfortunately. Let's take a look on the 5 minute time frame over here. Yeah, that 5 minute closed. Did that 5 minute close bearish on mine? I think on mine it closed a little bit bullish on the 5s. Let's take a look on the 15. Yeah, we'll see. Looking like we're rejecting over here. So, where would you close your order? Well, if it hits my stops, it's going to close there. If it doesn't, though, then I'll probably close it around about 15 pips. 15 pepperonis. I would always wait till the ATM before taking trades. Yep, it's already ATM, my man. Already ATM. So yeah, we'll see. 8 minutes left. Still got a lot of time in this candle. Still got a lot of time in the candle. I'll put that on nicely. 1 second. 1847.38. Yeah, beautiful. I'm not in again. Very safe. Yeah, beautiful, Manish. Two pepperoonies. It's fucking ridiculous, boy. I'm watching 5 minute close. Yeah. We'll see. Nice rejection again. Just needs to get a little bit of a blast off over here. Let's take a look to the 30-minute time frame to the left hand side. Yeah, the first level for me would be 1851.85 for me. Should go up now. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Targets. So for me, like, let's take a look on the 30-minute, right? 30-minute targets. I'm gonna look for potential targets in this area, 1854. That'll look pretty nice. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Volume kicking in? Yeah, exactly. Well, it's 8 o'clock open, right? So, for me, this is a trade that can work nicely with this volume as long as you get going, you know. Got to just see a little bit of progress, blasting a little bit above this 5-minute area, and then we should be good to continue. So we'll see. This 5-minute has got a minute left. We'll see on this closure. We'll see on this closure how to maybe manage risk. What's your exact stop loss price? 1847.37. Yeah. $1847.37, boy. So, still got how long left? 5 minutes left for this 15-minute candle. Yeah. We've got to stop running off though, I'm not going to lie, soon. So, let's take a look at this 5 minutes got to pull up. Pull up, boy! Because I'm wanting that initial hourly push. So, yeah. Weak bull rejecting. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. So the actual stops have been around about 17 pips. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable for me. Pull up in the Sri Lanka. 5-minute close bearish. Yeah, 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna give it 4 minutes left. We'll see. If it doesn't close the way I want it to, though, I'm probably gonna leave it over here. What do you think about the double top? Yeah, I mean, I think for me, it's the hourly close and above, right? The hourly close and above should respect the previous 15 lows after it's made the lower wick and continue bullish. But I think if this 15-minute close is bearish, then it's a no-go, right? It's a no-go. So yeah. Jesus Christ. Let's take a look at the 1 minutes. Yeah, still respecting this level. 5-minute time frame's got to push up though. It's It's got to push up. 3 minutes left for this candle. But 1 hour close with no wick. Nah, I did. Sure did, my man. Sure did, boy. But break previous high means impulse entry, right? Yeah, at 8 o'clock for sure. I would not do any other impulse trade if it wasn't at 8 o'clock. Yeah. I mean, it's a good trade. If idea, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, man. 2 minutes left for this 5 minute. I think if this 5 minute close is bearish, I'm gonna close the full thing.
Yeah, 2 minutes left.
Yeah. But he's struggling, should have pushed by now. Agreed. Let's take a look at this 15. Yeah. Where did the volume go? Exactly, man. Shit. Okay, I may just close here full 8%. Yeah, I'm going to close full here, guys. Yeah, I could not continue over here. I closed half.
1 second before stop loss hit.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I closed earlier.
Yeah. 5 minute when it
I
started.
was thinking what Brian.
Huh?
I was thinking what Brian said yesterday.
Yeah. If you
When
just
he 4 or 5 pips in drawdown, he closed everything. I closed everything when the second 5 minutes closed bearish.
Yeah.
With
That's
minus
good
6
risk
pips.
management, man.
Yeah, I need to do that.
Yeah, oh sorry, 1 second, minus. Yeah, I could not continue with the volume over here. I thought that was a beautiful, oh shit, 1 second. I thought that was a beautiful, nice hourly closure to continue. I'll definitely wait for price to break that retest with an engulfing candle and take the trade. Yeah, maybe later on for sure. Yeah. Let's take a look. So yeah, another L. So for me, I managed risk build from there. When we started rejecting it again on that 5 minute, I was like, you know what, this is not good. 50 minutes just closed bearish, strong bearish as well, not weak. So, hey Max, what's your maximum consecutive losses with this strategy? I'd say 2. I'd say 2. Yeah. 2. Lost 19 pips because of slippage. Oof. Yeah, that slippage was nasty as well, right? So what you're going to do now is probably wait for another closure above. The hourly candle's still closed. This should still work eventually. Just, you know, when is it going to make this low where it can continue? For me now, you got to wait a little bit higher up. Yeah. So I lost 11 pips on that one, I think. Let me just change that now. Let me just check it. Yeah, 11 pips. But obviously it's half, so I only lost 0.7. Yeah, like 0.8%. 0.8%. Just over 19, yeah. So, where is it actually? Oh, there. So if this candle, I mean, if this gold candle now closes 30-minute bearish, it's really respecting that. But as I still said, the hourly time frame for me is still, you know, it's still raring to go, right? The hourly time frame is still tasty. Maybe because it didn't clear the 30-minute zone. I thought with the low wick it made with the 8 o'clock open, yeah, but clearly not. Clearly it needed that extra little zone. To be honest with you, the left-hand side, the zone actually pushed into it's big. But I suppose the wicks are a little bit shitty, but I still think it's going to continue to 1854. AJ on the move. Yeah. Finally breaking above that 4 hour. Thank God for that. Hopefully. You up for the month? Yeah. Look over here. So let me just add this on. I think it's just this past 11. Yeah. Past, I'd say 9 days has been hard for me. But if you guys, you know, come onto a stream and no one's having any issues at any point in their time, maybe it's because they're hiding something. I got nothing to hide. So for me, gold buy, it was a impulse. I should say this impulse on the breakout. It was on the previous high, 15 minutes. It was based off half risk, and it closed at minus 11. So let me just get rid of that. Right. Oh shit. Minus 11. Okay, L, and then this here is gonna be equals divided by 2. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god, okay. 1 second. Yeah, it's not that though, it is this. There we go. Beautiful. Then if you add that all up, 8.47%. That's okay. I think it's just been the last 8 days have been so shitty. Maybe because gold definitely bullish today, dollar is weak. Yeah, you just gotta chill a little bit longer, I think. Nice sash. How did you get on the gold shorts then? On the 15? No.
Put his cowboy hat on.
Ah. Oh yeah, you did another one of them before, didn't you? That was good. AJ looks good for a buy. Yeah, this shit here is not the nicest, is it? Isn't the nicest. Turtle soup. Yeah, after that 50-minute close bearish, God, that was looking so nice to continue. The hourly time frame looked beautiful. Maybe the pullback had to be a little bit harder. 1846, maybe. 1846. GJ would be better than AJ. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna focus on now. GJ, maybe. Yeah. GJ. So yeah, gonna wait for GJ. 861 could be nice. Could be nice. Okay, I finally got as well. 1 second. I finally got the link for you guys to use. I finally got the link for you guys to use the thing. Where is it? 1 second. Where is it? Where is it? Commands. Yeah, there we go. Let me just get it on here. Actually, I think Don sent me the template, so I can put it in the chat. Finally, I've got the link for you guys, because the amount of messages I get every day on that. Holy shit. Let's take a look. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, beautiful. Okay. So I can put it in the chat now, and here you go. GJ sell. Oh, selling right now. Damn, where would your stop loss be? Above the resistance, I'm assuming. Trading in the range. Could be good, could be good. Hey, Max, how do you consider to take a second chance if gold breaks above again? I'll probably wait for the next 15 to close, yeah. But if I had to take an opinion, it's going to be a 5-minute just launching it. Yeah, That's what we'll look at. That's what we'll look at. Let me just put this here. But yeah, I think this whole process for me, when trades are like, you know, not working too well, for me the whole process of it is really focusing on the improvement, and also the next time when we go back to normal, remembering these times of harder trades taken. It's quite funny though, because impulse trades have been working all fucking week. Is that cannabis oil pen or vape? Just a vape. Please answer my question. Check Discord, okay, or take a look at Discord. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Discord. Here. Every time I move my stop loss to break even, next candle from bottom wick hits my break even after moving towards target. Yeah, I mean, so what? It's actually moved at 1-to-1, 20% closed. Yeah, that's fine. I think in them areas you gotta just take the break even, my man, because it's breaking through. The only thing I could potentially tell you to do is when it retests that area here. That's retesting the previous resistance. Stop loss could be there. That's how you get in with a better stop. So instead of getting in there, you're getting in there. So when this next candle makes the lower wick, it actually doesn't hit you. That's a good example of it, right, Sash? Right. Look at that retest in there.
I missed the question.
Yeah.
Taking the retest here instead of getting here, because he says you get the runner just got break even there. You'd rather get
this
in
is what
there.
The Warren said this is yeah, you can get in with the retest there.
Yeah. The stop loss there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
As soon as the structure breaks, then you want to wait for that retest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because actually, if you check this gold on the 5 minute, you'll see it. It's it's like 6:45. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Next one. See that one? Came all the way down. That's your entry point, and look at it. It's like 20 pips instantly.
Yeah.
Because you that's the structure point, right? If it breaks that, if it breaks this line here. Oh.
Sorry.
Yeah, if it breaks that, or it closes below that, you're going down. Well, this is the area here. See? Yeah.
You're going downtown.
Oh, 25 pippies.
Oh.
Pippies.
Jeez.
Bloody snake.
Hey, Shashin, that was good, eh?
Yeah. Did you take it?
Wait, let me just show you some shit. Let me put
Some
it in.
shit.
Show you some shit. Good morning. I'm from South Africa. This is my second time being in the live stream. I'm happy to be here. Amazing. Yeah, I wish I had some nice trades to give you, but recently not so much. But it's okay. It's okay. We've still got 10 days or so in this month, and then yeah. But for me, as I said, you know, these things don't affect me. These little areas here. Why? Because of the fact that I'm still profitable over this month. You know, 8% people will be dying for that. And also for the fact that, you know, if this does get to you, if this does start to get to you here, you know, the amount of stress you're going to be giving yourself just because of the fact that price isn't moving the way you want to, or your entry's a little bit sloppy, that's fine, just move on. Because what happens is, if you get stuck in this, like look here, I took 3 L's all at once, and then after I took like an 8 win streak. So you gotta be cautious with this. You know, don't get too worked up on it. Don't get too worked up on it. Money zone.
I also used to put like silly little words on my chart just to make it a bit more fun.
Yeah. Let's take a look at the 30-minute now. Yeah. I still think this is going to continue bullish eventually, but anyway, we'll see. Bro, for real, down 6k, need to win this today. Yeah, you need to... See, that word need is not what you need. If you need something that's showing the stress, the pressure that you have to do something, you know, that's just silly, man.
Do you say down 6k? Fuck.
Yeah. Where can I send a chart London's discussion? No, put it in charts of the stream. In here. Yeah. Those are some really nice chart works, actually. Very nice. So yeah, the hourly time frame, is it still okay? Yeah, this is. I did break the low, to be fair. I have a feeling this is still going to continue. Maybe the next closure, I may try and re-enter. You need only to chill, exactly. Yeah, you're alright. I need to chill out and get it together next week. Well, not only next week, you know, just chill. For me, London session this past 2 weeks has been absolutely garbage. If I take a look at the trades taken, there's been like 2 nice trades. The rest have been pretty hard. Pretty hard. Okay, so a minute's time for this 30-minute closure. Oh yeah. It's funny. I think if people started to watch on the 11th, yeah, you're not nice, but start of the month you should be still happy, hunky dory. Get a pedal bike. GJ's still nowhere near. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Oh. 4-hour time frame is nice. Nasty, sorry. Lost 80% of it on USD JPY. Ooh. Last Premier League matches this Sunday. Which match you'll be watching? I have no idea. Probably the City one. Yeah. So what happens then? Did the Premier League have 2 like congratulations and 2 trophies? Because what if like one of them wins it and one of them doesn't? If they move it around, how does it work? They must have 2. I just had someone reporting they took a stop loss on your stream. Yeah, little gold buys over here. So 30-minute close bearish, 50-minute close bearish. So yeah, still nowhere near. If this next 15 closes above, then yeah, it's gonna be nice, I'd say. For me, 5-minute close bullish. Hourly time frame still got a lot of time. Still respecting 1856. I'd say 1850. It's 1845.8, 1845.9. Yeah. Yeah, I'm also down this month minus 25 pips. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. How are your trades at the start of the month? Because for me, the start of the month was nice. Start of the month was decent. It was just continuing on from the pushes from May, and then yeah, just the 11th kind of happened over here. Let's take a look. 1 second. Yeah. I'm breaking even for this month. That's chill. That's chill. I'm up 2.8% for this month, stoked with that. Not consistently looking at balance or profit and loss that has massively helped me. Exactly. That's what I try and tell people, you know. Try not to look at the monetary for it. If I was doing that, you know, now I'd be like, oh man, you know, I'm down like what? How much for this month? This week, sorry. I'm down like 0.8. Let's take a look. Nah, I'm down like 1% this week. But like that 1% this week, oof. if you did it in a big scale of things and you had all of your weeks up, you know, this is what my previous ones would look like. So if I did the last like 4, it'd be like this in terms of statistics, right? So it'd be, I had a 6%, then I had like a 12. They were the last 2 in May. I think I had 16 as well. I think that was all of them, yeah. 1 second. So this was 16. Then it was 12. Then the last week over here was pretty much break even. Then this week right now is minus 1%. So you can see overall, you know, am I going to be upset with this? No, you know, like I'm chilling. I'm chilling, man. So 50-minute time frame coming above on AJ. Yeah, it's a shame that the 4-hour resistance for me is right there. So fuck that. I'm minus 2% this week because I missed Monday's winning trade. Yeah. Okay, GJ coming up. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly's breaking the high of the previous. 4 hours breaking the high of the previous. Daily is breaking high of the previous. Oh shit! Oh my god! That's looking promising. That's looking very, very promising. Why? Well, if you were on the simulation sessions, you'll know why. Because what we see is when all of these time frames are breaking previous highs and lows, we get a nice drive. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to run up these buys over here. If I lose this, this will be the last trade of the day potentially for me. If there's nothing absolutely amazing. Yeah. So 10 minutes left for this 15. The only issue is it's breaking it right now, which kind of sucks, but we'll have to wait for the closure, which would be rather nice. Hourly time frame's coming up. Let's take a look at the hourly support over here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see for a closure above. AJ, buy new trade. Yeah, the issue is the 4 hour, right? If you take a look at GJ in the 4 hour, the 4 hours a lot cleaner right up here, right? It's got 164.88 to fill. The daily time frame as well is coming back above that area. It's breaking the previous daily highs. So for me, it's a lot easier to take the GJ. So yeah, if we break above over here, where should we continue to? 16400, which is a lovely zone. What an absolute tasty zone. 15's got to close above though. 9 minutes time. 9 minutes time. Keep growing, man. I love your content. May God bless you with your content and success. May the Lord give you strength to overcome everything in journey. Ah, thank you. Amazing words. Yeah. We'll see how much this blasts off, because I'm not going to lie, this zone is pretty tasty. I'm not going to lie. So maybe 10 pips, maybe a little bit less. Let me try and get 20 pips, 15. We'll see over here if we get a nice closure, because it's breaking the highs of the hourlies, the 4 hours, and the dailies. So the probability that it continues in this area is pretty nice, right? So yeah, we'll see. Someone is getting absolutely spammed on fucking Telegram. Holy shit.
Oh fuck, it's me. Sorry, man. I started forgot about me. So used to it.
It's me. I'm fucking spamming him.
Yeah. I don't have the dog. Then I leave my mic on.
Guys. I'm getting on.
Shut the fuck up.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's in gold. He's still in gold cells. It's fucking rinsing.
Oh shit. Max, open that shit. Max.
Look at that, dude.
Get in that Zoom chat.
Money zone.
Money zone.
Did you hold this on there?
Of course, man.
Yeah,
Rinsing.
50
Rinsing
quid
this
bearish,
shit.
right? Whenever
Okay,
the
yeah.
others speak, I have to lower the volume. Oh, are they a bit too loud?
And listen to the gulag.
Fuck the gulag, man.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Daily time frame breaking highs. 4 hours breaking highs. Yeah, this is going to launch. No, 7 minutes. Just chill out, boy. Whenever the other guys speak.
TP coming in hot.
Look at that 4 hour. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That's great. It's fucking great.
Ah.
Yeah, this is gonna be tasty. 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 Gold performing down, yes. Oh yes, too right it is. Oh, mate, that rejection was chilling. So that hourly just couldn't continue over here. Yeah. It was like, nope. It was like, absolutely nope. So yeah, waiting for this closure. It's got 6 minutes left on the 15.
Holy shit.
Shut the fuck up.
Guys, like I just tried this. You won't understand the joy that it's like working with. Like it's fucking insane. Like yo, I'm flabbergasted. Holy shit. Let me mute my mic, man.
Cyclic album. Are you guys up for the month? Are you guys up for the month still? Minus 0.5, minus 0.97, plus 0.1. Yeah, so it's pretty break even. That's good, man.
Never been down, boy.
5 minutes left for this closure. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Let's take a look on the 30. The only issue I have is we have this zone, but we also have here. Yeah, I'd probably want it above there, I think, actually. 895. Because that's previous res. And if price doesn't close above there, it could still reject it. Look at the hourly. Yeah, that's also hourly closure as well. Take a look. Or 8 pips. Oof. And GJ? Did you say GJ? GJ. GJ. Let me just look over here. What about a breakthrough and then draw down for a retest? What about a breakthrough and then a draw down for a retest? I have no idea what you mean there. Explain it. Maybe show me a chart. Show me a chart. I don't want the 50 minute to close. I like this rejection so we can potentially get a 30 or hourly closure above. Yeah. That's what I was thinking, you know, if this 15 isn't, you know, amazing, then the hourly candle closing above would be much nicer, right? 100% agree. Max, you gotta admit these guys on Zooms are ninjas catching every move. Yeah, bro. They're doing class. They're doing class. I'm very proud of them. Very, very proud of them. Not proud of them when they take a trade and they don't give me any warning. Nah, the only thing I get fucking pissed off with them is where they go, nah, I didn't like that entry. It's like, why didn't you discuss it with me, and then maybe I might have seen it as well. That's like, But anyway, so yeah, let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. 2 minutes left, looking like it's not getting a closure on the 15. So yeah, I mean, what you'd rather have is the hourly and the 30 closing above, because that'll set in stone, you know, the closure. 15 minutes a week level. All right. You get me? You get me? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. What about a breakthrough and then a drawdown? Yeah. I do not know, man. So AJ's coming back up. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame on AJ. Yeah, you'd want a closure above 9,400, I think, on AJ. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it's not really the cleanest one. Ah, no, it is there. Let's take a look. Yeah. Above 9,400 on AJ would be nice as well. So it looks like maybe GJ and AJ might be both options. 50 minutes closed. The 50-minute doesn't look as nice though, so it'd be 30-minute closures above. 30-minute closures above.
Yeah, and Max, I couldn't own you, man. Unfortunately.
You what?
This is something. I said I couldn't own you because this is just something that I'm also trying at the end of the day. So I couldn't confidently say whatever, because you obviously saw something that I wasn't looking at, etc. So
yeah.
Yeah, and I wasn't on gold, unfortunately.
Because I was on GJ and gold also at the same time. So the gold stream, it's like 85. It's like fucking, it's so much.
Yeah. When I 15 rejected, man, I would have taken themselves, to be honest with you. But being fluid about it. I thought at 8 o'clock I'd have enough volume to push through.
Plus, I was on the 5, bro. I was like, I think the 5 has been doing it for this whole week. So I missed the GJ buy because I was looking at the 15 and the 30. And then I just shifted to gold and I weighed onto the 5 minute. When I saw that trend broke, I immediately I got
like
into
this
the
one second.
And it's cool. It's like 1 to 2, bro. Yeah, and it's like a 1 to 2. So
I like that.
Like 1 to 2, the flip of the candle. Yeah, so just 1 to 2, the flip of the candle that broke. So you're risking 20 for 40.
Yeah, I think for me as well. I think for me as well. Someone said there the gold trade was good on London Open. The candle open with no top wick. Yeah, exactly. So I was expecting the drive, but clearly not. 5 minute time frame over here made a little bit of support, but that was kind of the break which people looked at. I think. Yeah.
Yeah. So so just put the show tool there. 1 to 2.
Huh?
Show tool. A 1 to 2 show tool.
I have no idea what the fuck you're saying.
What are you on about? Short 2.
Short.
Brother,
Brother, you're getting more South African the fucking moments I'm with you. Holy shit.
Short tool.
What the
What are you
fuck?
saying? What are you
Short.
Short 2, 1 to 2.
What does it sound like?
I don't know.
What are you saying? Shouty. Shouty.
Jason's on one today.
I told Brian yesterday, motherfucker, I'm bringing the volume.
You're fucking hilarious, man. I can't deal with him. Said more South African. Yeah, he sounded so South African there. My God, I love it. Every single day, at least one person on the chat's like, "What the fuck is that guy's accent?" I'm like, "Ah, yes. Welcome to the South Africans." I saw a TikTok of some guy who was South African, and it was fucking hilarious. It's great. He's like, that sounds literally like Jason. This was fucking great. Yeah, AJ's still looking strong. short tool. I thought I was the only one who didn't understand it. Oh, short position tool. Okay, yeah. I was like, what the fuck is he on about? We need to pull back an AG now. Yeah. The only thing with AG is, as I said, that for me, GG looks much cleaner because the hourly time frame needs to close above here. If they're looking on the 15. There's still a little bit garbage there, so. Did you end last month profitable in stream? Oh, very profitable. Yeah, we took 13 trades, 10 winners, 3 losses. No break evens last month, which is interesting. No break evens. Yeah, I made 39% last month. I'd say half and half on London and NY, so yeah, around about like nearly 20% on each one. So yeah, when the market's good for me, I make a lot, but when it's not so good, I just have to chill out, and yeah, I gotta be a little bit cautious. That's why when that goal came back in a drawdown, like after, like when I saw 10 pips again, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna close. Yeah. Winston should. Cheers, bro. Cheers, bro. It's the way you say bro. Bro. Did that NAS trade yesterday come back down?
Yeah, bro, it was fucking hard sore.
Did it, let's take a look. I think you,
It came back down, and then went up again, came back down, went up again, and then just stayed in the range.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there, yeah.
But that wick that it threw to the upside, it's out of nowhere. It's absolutely out of nowhere. So again, it comes back to when price is close to our entry, let's just wait. You know what I mean?
Yeah. From DVS. Yeah. From DVS, wondering why you took that buy on gold though. Was it an impulse entry? Yeah, 8 o'clock. Break of the highs, break of the hourly highs. I thought I had enough juice to continue at least to put myself to break even. But it clearly did not. Came back down over here, now the 4-hour time frames. Small candles again. So for me in this area, I gotta wait a little bit further more. So now it's gonna be pretty easy for buys above though later on. Yeah. Yo, how can I join the Zoom? You have to join the link, man. It's a full group with amazing people. You'd love it, I'm telling you. Simulations every week, webinars every week, backtesting with the simulations. We have homework, all that kind of stuff.
You get to hit Jason every day.
Yeah, and NY.
Yeah.
That's a negative.
Bro, what are you gonna say about that, Jace?
Where's your hard hat today? Can't see it.
So good, bro.
So good, bro, bro.
Good, bro.
Good, bro.
I'm being bullied right now, so I'm just gonna leave it at that.
You what?
I'm being bullied right now.
Online bullying.
That's where we go through fucking bullying things. You just bully one person. It was me last week from fucking Milan, and
usually Milan.
We know we bully Milan quite a lot, yeah.
Where's Milan? Yeah.
Next, check the Telegram.
Milan's probably taken 15 trades already today. What?
Check the Telegram. That is how you guys are making me feel.
Actually, I didn't. I took one of yours. I took your trades.
Yeah,
Gold and London. You can't.
You can't.
You're a fucking asshole.
I fucking love that. There's nothing more to me than pissing off Milan. It's great. It's the fucking best. Was it yesterday that Milan took all them trades?
I don't think it's just yesterday. I think it's every day.
This week.
Yeah. How many trades you taking this week, Milan?
Say what?
How many trades you taking this week?
10, 15, maybe more.
10,
Yeah, I was
15.
gonna say,
You
I
did
think a
you
little
did
more
10
than
on one
that.
day. You did 10
I
on
say
one
maybe
day.
more.
Maybe more. Let's take a look then. So if I started on the
Yeah, but I got in 6% in London yesterday.
yeah, that was nice.
Nice.
Let me just open this up over here. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm minus 1% of this week. Minus 1.3. With a little bit more spread, it's probably like minus 1.7, I'd say. GJ sells if you ask me. Interesting. Will USD go down to the 20s? I think it will be by June. I have no idea. I have no idea. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, I am. Have been since around about July, August. Yeah, July, August.
So you're moving soon, Max? Have you found a spot?
Yeah, in July. I'm moving him out with my lass. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
you
put him
said.
there. The same bitch, she's been living there for a year now, so.
Oh, okay, cool. So
Yeah,
you're moving there.
yeah. Look at
So
age.
she wears the pants, eh?
Too right. Anyway, you gotta be.
Some little Max is running around soon, eh?
How many backflips can you do in a row? None. I'd love to be able to do that shit, but every time I see someone doing it as well, I'm like, oh, mate, that could easily go wrong here, man. Ah. Yeah.
Keep it expensive.
I haven't seen
Yeah.
Fahad in a while, eh? AJ King.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Where's he gone?
Who?
Fahad, he used to do those AJ, like Asian sessions. They come on to
sessions.
London. He's like, 20 pips, boys.
Yeah. They were tasty.
No,
Let's take a
actually,
look.
when we look at AJ, like,
AJ's
oh,
clean, man. Break them lows there, 4 o'clock, I think. Where are they?
So late.
It's
Yeah.
just slow. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Slow.
Yeah.
It's the cycle we're in now. Our trading window's getting. You can see the
Shafted.
choppiness and then the NYSE trading windows. But it's just so late. I can't be asked to sit up.
Yeah,
like,
same. If you're on like 7 o'clock and then you're looking at the chart at 3, it's like, oh, mate.
Yeah.
My
Fuck
fucking
that.
eyes are hurting me.
Then you're doing sims and stuff in between, like, on that. That's too late.
Yeah, I'm fucking dead.
Yeah, no.
By 2 o'clock, I'm fucking absolutely wrecked.
Yeah.
Zone to the left of AJ is very messy. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. I agree, it is very messy. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think if we... Well, let's do that, right? Let's take a look. I mean, this is 4 minutes left. I'll keep an eye on it, but for the time being, right? Let's take a look. Oh shit! What the fuck? There we go. Let's do our session this week. 2:30 and like 8:30. No, 9:30. Yes, that's at 2 o'clock. So these have been our sessions. Yeah, you can see straight after. Look, I mean that was actually not too bad there, but it kind of just got the closure at 2 o'clock, and then it finally did. Same thing here. Range after nice moves. Let's take a look a little bit further on. Yeah, look at. That was actually a nice one. That was Was that Monday? Yeah, I think I took them buys.
Right.
Yeah. So it looks like towards the back end of this week, it's been a little bit choppy. NY. So look, this is the start of NY here. So pre-NY, and then finish at 2 o'clock, and then it finally runs down after. Same thing here. So yeah, That support held nicely that we talked about yesterday, Bri. That was tasty. What's the difference between backtesting and simulations? No, simulations are backtesting. What do you say, Bri? Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it was super strong.
Yeah, strong as shit. Yeah, so people looking for themselves yesterday, we kind of like backed off it because of the fact that the 4-hour time frame here has got so many supports around it. It's just not. There's no need. There's no need for it. Look like GJ isn't getting a closure here. Same with AJ. He's looking a little bit shit. Yeah, we've got a simulator, AJ, at 10 o'clock. A little bit of AJ. Are you going now, Bri? What time is it? Oh my god, it's 9 o'clock. Jesus Christ, that went quick. Fucking hell. That went so quick. Holy shit. Oh my god.
That's why I asked him who was him. I was like, oh, I've got some stuff to do.
That was like 20 past 8. Shit.
You guys later.
See you later, my man. Yeah, I may leave it here now at 9 o'clock.
Simulation, what time simulation, Max?
10 o'clock.
See you, bye. Cheers.
See you later, my man. Yeah, I think I may head off over here, guys. Sorry about this. I think the impulse in London for their own goal would have been nice. Maybe a little bit of a closure above would have been a little bit nicer. Managing risk, though, in the 5 minutes when we started coming back down here. Managing the risk. So I lost like half of what I expected, nearly. Which is good. So yeah, that's all I can kind of do. Control the downside. And obviously, we'll be grand. All I need now is a nice stinking 30 pip GJ trade. And I'm back in. Which is the beauty of it, right? It's the beauty of it. And yeah, I think we should be good for next week. Let's take a look at AG. Yeah. So goal rejected. Double top now. This may be continuing down later on because that 4-hour time frame for me was looking perfect. It was breaking the daily highs as well. So I had a lot of conferences for me to get in there. I like the daily. I like the 4-hour breaking, the 4-hour res. The hourly time frame was looking nice with the closure above. So for me, I'm happy taking that trade. I think if I wanted to push there, I would have easily got 20, 30 pips in a 5-minute candle. So I'm happy to take a 11 pip loss on that because the lower wick was nice. It didn't have a top wick either. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy with taking that L. The only thing I could have probably done better was the first 5-minute closing like that. I think if it closed like that, it's like, I wanted this candle to wick and then close a bit bullish. That's maybe how I could have improved there. But apart from that, I was happy taking that. Yep, so AJ, GJ, both rejected at those levels. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, not nice, not nice. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. I'm going to go and give my dad his presents for his birthday. And have a really good weekend, guys. Next week, we're going to smash it. I'm going to come with there with open eyes. And we'll be waiting for some nice closures as usual. But yeah, looking like the moves happen a little bit earlier on here at 6:30 on GJ and AJ. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys next week, man. Positive mindset. As I say, I'm an advocate for it. Don't be too worked up on this. I've taken L's, and I have like 600 people watching me. But would that affect me? No. I gotta stay focused, and I know. It's going to be very, very short when we come back to these areas over here, and I'll make my little losses back up, and I'm already still, 7% up for the month, so, I don't really care too much. Next week will be interesting as you're approaching the end of the month. Exactly, will be interesting. When is the sim? 10 o'clock, my man, 10 o'clock. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. I promise you, it's going to get better. Don't worry about it. Peace out, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later. See you later, man. Peace out. Adios, amigos.
Thanks, man.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later on. Peace out, guys. Adios, amigos.